Wala na. Go, Cara. I support you.
Yan.
Go, Thea. Go, Thea. I support you. Yes. 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 Okay, time yan. Anong color?
Tignan ko lang.
Yes.
Okay.
Go back.
Visual learner.
Alright. Masakit na po ang aming kamay. Almost! Kaya, kamusta arms natin?
Nararamdaman ko nag-build ng muscle.
Okay, wow. Problem solving with Carl Echaluce.
So, may decide ka kung gusto mong gumanon or gumanon?
Kasi ito talaga yung pa. Meron sa kabila. So mag-i-U-turn.
And we have here, attempting her second time, Ms. Erin Cristobal. And then look at her go. Look at her go. Look at
Carl! Go, Carl! Yeah! Pinili yung pink.
Meron pa ako nakabulok sa
Yeah. Tapos, walk ulit. Dito sa... Straighten the left leg. Yan yan.
You grab the rock in this way. So naturally, your body will allow you to swing that way.
Ah.